To find the centre and radius of the circle whose equation is x squared minus 6x plus y squared equals 72, we begin by completing the square for the x terms and the y terms. So we set out a squared bracket, put x at the front. We then take minus 6x, the coefficient is negative 6, so we halve that and put that in there. Then we subtract from that the number 3 squared, which is 9. Now, just for completeness, to show how this all works, I'm going to complete the square for the y terms, but because there isn't just a y term, that will have a coefficient of 0. So I'm going to put that in. Now, normally this wouldn't be shown. We'd subtract from that 0 squared, which is still 0, and normally we wouldn't bother showing, and that equals 72. From there, we collect the number terms to the other side. We do that by adding 9 to both sides. So that will leave x minus 3 all squared plus y plus 0 all squared will equal 72 plus 9, which is 81. From there, I can see that the centre of the circle is 3, because it's the opposite sign of negative 3, comma 0, and that's why I showed the 0 in this case, so we could see where the 0 comes from. The radius is the positive square root of 81, which is 9. So again, normally we wouldn't show this here. So what we would have had at that stage is x minus 3 all squared minus 9 plus y squared equals 72. Looks like a 2. And then we'd go from there. So that's the preferred presentation, but it still leads to a centre of 3, 0, and the radius is 9.